I always like to address a project that the water company in Amsterdam is working on. The water company is called Battlenet, and they are experimenting or actually implementing a new type of sanitation in a neighborhood in the north part of Amsterdam called Sladjana. And this sanitation has like a separate sewage system for black water and a separate sewage system for grey water. So black water is from the toilet, grey water is from the shower and your dishwasher, etc. And by separating these two streams, they are able to extract nutrients from the water. They're able to provide energy, biogas that can be given back to the neighborhood, and people can warm their house with actually the black water that was coming out of their toilets. And it's easier way to clean the water as well. So this type of solutions are very interesting because you really need to think on the long term, and you try to search for the right economy of scale, because you cannot make this innovation possible on a very small scale. You really need a project for 600 households or 400 households to make this possible. And this means having the right people on the table at the right time. And that's not always possible, but in this situation it worked out, and it is very interesting how people will react to that, because after all these technical and organizational challenges, you also have the challenge that you have to make your citizens aware of this new type of sanitation they have in their households and how they should use it and maintain it on the right way, so you can continue extracting these resources. Another example that I like is that different water companies in the Netherlands are experimenting with their role in the energy transition. So as a water company, you always think like, okay, they are responsible for the quality of my water and that I can have clean water from the tap. But more and more of these companies see possibilities, business opportunities in the energy transition as well. So we are experimenting how big lakes in the Netherlands can store warmth in the lakes because of the possibilities that in the summer you can have because of the cold water, you can bring cold to the households, and in the winter you can bring also warmth to the households. And these type of experiments are very interesting, and you see that happening now in the country as well. And what I like about these solutions is it's about the energy transition, where in the Netherlands we have this challenge that we are going from gas to electrical warming, electricity in the households. And by this type of solution, you can really reuse the natural resources, not only from the wind and the sun, but also from the water and from the earth. So I like these type of examples as well. They're about designing new infrastructures and new type of systems. Yeah.